Hey BNG Nation, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today we are here to take out all of these wrinkles on this side. I've already did this side off camera, so if you like the look, you can of course keep watching to see how I got them out. This side here, you can probably not tell that much of a difference between them, but I'm gonna zoom in and just show you all of these little creases. We got some right here and some large ones right here, and then like all on the bottom, it's like crazy. But on this side, we can go ahead and zoom in and you can see that all the wrinkles are not there. So I really like this method. All you're gonna need is a steamer. You can probably hear it working right now. It's already ready. And I got this one at my Goodwill store. You can probably try to check a bunch of resale stores if you want to get it for cheap, if this is like probably the only thing you're gonna use it for. We're gonna go ahead and come to this side and I'm gonna show you guys how I end up doing it. So let's get started. Okay guys, so now that we are on this side, we're gonna go ahead and start from top to bottom. I'm going to take it a section at a time and kind of show you how I do it. And then yeah, we're gonna do it real time for like a little bit, and then you'll see it when it gets speed up, because it does take a little time. Okay, so. And honestly, I just touch it. The video says you don't have to, but I be touching it just because I feel like I get better results. I don't know if my cord's gonna come all the way over here. Might have to get an extension cord. Okay guys, so that is it for this video. I'm pretty happy with these results on how this ended up turning out. If you like this video, don't forget to leave a thumbs up. If you haven't already, subscribe. I post every week on Friday at 12 p.m. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!